Model, 64-plate Ford Transit Custom 2.2TD Best Custom Engines in the game 100PS 310 Trend Kombi L1 High RF Roof Rack Alloys Throwing Kisses. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 174694. MOT, 2 February 2025. Engine, 2198 cc 2.2 PS TDCI-A. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Turbo needs replacing, engine has been thoroughly checked, all good, grin. Simple repair. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Lovely alloys on this vehicle, open mouth smile. Roof rack all sticked up as RS custom open mouth smile. Features, 4 former keepers, 2 keys, parking sensors, cruise control, electric window.